who I found here, sitting on the roof. Just follow the ladder and you'll find him. So what are you doing?
I am doing what I should have done about 8 months ago and waterproofing the roof above Mum's bathroom.
So basically you waited until now to do what you should have done 8 months ago.
Pretty much. Do you want to come check it out?
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing a bit of waterproofing here. So there was a membrane, which is like a piece of fabric, which had paint on it, but over time the paint gets washed away and dissolved, so then the water just goes through.
Brendan, are you actually supposed to make such a mess of your pants?
Well, no one can see it up here, so does it really matter?
So you just messed it up.
Yes, so this is the first coat. We'll do this, grab lunch, and then do the second coat.
Bye-bye. Yeah. Let's see how good this direction track is actually. Scotch here again.
It's dry. Let's smash the second coat. Oh, over top.
The fabric, and now you can just see the acrylic we just put on. And also we put on this.
Okay, that's that project wrapped up. Please remember to like, follow and subscribe. See how I did that. See you on the next one.
Guys, just remember to like, follow and subscribe if you have not. And always wait for the end of our videos, well, shorts, to watch Santa Wars. Well, at least usually there are some Santa Wars. So, thanks for watching.